Who is it? It's the Wyze summer sale going on right now. You can get the Wyze Duo Cam at a discount going on for the next few days. They have black and they also have silver. This is the Wyze Duo Cam. 2 cameras, one up top and one down below for your packages. It is their newest video doorbell. I love it. It's wireless or wired. So if you have existing wires, you can plug it up. If you don't, there is an internal battery that you can put in there that lasts up to 6 months. Then all you do is pop it off, charge it, put it back in, and it's ready to go. It also has an SD card slot in there so you can have 24/7 recording and not just clips. These do not go on sale much, so click that orange link below and get it while you still can.